Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw TRX from Exmo to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or a seasoned trader optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Kucoin. If you haven't already, download the apps or log into the websites and complete any necessary verifications. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Balance section to locate your TRX holdings. Next, find the Withdraw button. It's usually prominent and easy to spot. Step 2. Select TRX as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Copy your Kucoin TRX wallet address accurately. You can find this by logging into Kucoin, going to your wallet, and selecting TRX. Pro tip. Always verify the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place, which could mean permanent loss. Step 3. Enter the amount of TRX you wish to withdraw. Exmo might have minimum withdrawal limits, so check that first. Then, review the network fee. TRX typically uses the Tron network, so ensure it's set correctly to avoid delays. Step 4. Confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once confirmed, sit tight. Withdrawals usually process within minutes, but it can take up to an hour depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log back into Kucoin and check your TRX balance to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer TRX from Exmo to Kucoin in 2025. Remember, the crypto world is always evolving, so stay updated with the latest fees and regulations. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.